Thought I broke my camera for a second. I messed up my memory card, yanking it out of my computer apparently, and I had to format everything. Sick! Okay, short and sweet. This video is going to be on how to replace your rear caliper on your Volkswagen Rabbit. Mine's a 2007 2.5. The rear caliper was seized, which was preventing me from getting a safety for the vehicle. It is now out, and it's been replaced. So please enjoy this video. I hope it helps and gives you a bit of an idea of how to do it. It's not that hard if you are at least a little mechanically inclined. But like I said, I hope it helps. Please leave a comment below. Alright, so for the brake caliper, what you're going to want to do is take the two 13mm bolts off the back of the caliper. And you can pull that off. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to be replacing the caliper. So what I'm going to need to remove is the emergency brake, the brake line here that taps in here, and pull out this little, it's like a C-clip, but it's not a C, it's like a square. I'm going to pop that out, and then I'm going to put the new caliper on. And then I will replace the pads because these pads are shot. And the reason why I'm replacing the caliper is because I tried getting this pressed back with like a, it's like a reverse vise. It presses the piston in. It was not going anywhere no matter how much force I was applying. In fact, I was bending the tool. So caliper seized, so I'm just going to replace it with a new one, keep it safe, and yeah, cool. And it's raining, and it's really crappy out. And I'm filming another angle, but there's not a lot else I can do. Okay, so I got the new caliper, everything's off. This is dripping, not a big deal. Just gotta bleed it after. Oh, with the old, these are like the little brake caliper guides. Get those in there. Nice and shiny, new. I don't see any damage on the bracket, so I'm not gonna bother replacing that. Also, just to avoid dealing with any kind of seized bolts right now in this weather, doesn't sound too appealing. So I'm just not gonna go there. Uno. And dos. Sweet. Now, please, if you do this yourself, please, with the threads on this brake line here, you want to undo the top and the bottom when you take it out. When you put it back in, put the bottom in all the way, then line up the line to the back of it, place it in, then start threading it slow and thread it in until it's tight, and then you can put in the C-clip, because if you strip these, you're in a lot of trouble. So please just be careful. Anyway, I just have to hook up the e-brake, the cable there to here, then I can pop this caliper in, and then I gotta bleed it, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so that's the new caliper installed. E-brake line is on. Nipple is bled. Brake line is on. New brake pads. good to go. And yeah, join me for other cool stuff.